Scientists at Columbia University have just made a groundbreaking discovery that could change the way we think about heart health. People taking SSRI antidepressants who have a specific genetic variant are at risk of developing severe heart valve damage up to 10 years earlier than expected. This shocking finding has major implications for the millions of people around the world who take SSRIs to manage their mood, as it suggests that the very same medication that's helping to regulate their serotonin levels may also be accelerating the progression of a common heart valve disease called degenerative mitral regurgitation. The research, which was published in a recent study, found that patients with this genetic variant who take SSRIs are more likely to develop severe valve damage sooner, which could mean requiring surgery at a much younger age. This is a big deal, because degenerative mitral regurgitation is already a major public health concern. It's a condition where the mitral valve doesn't close properly, allowing blood to flow backward and putting extra strain on the heart. And while surgery can be an effective treatment, it's a major operation that carries its own risks and complications. So, if we can identify people who are at higher risk of developing severe valve damage earlier, we may be able to take steps to prevent or delay the progression of the disease. This could involve closer monitoring, lifestyle changes, or even alternative treatments, and it's an area that definitely warrants further research. Moving on to another story that's making waves in the health world, a common blood pressure drug called telmisartan may hold the key to making cancer therapy far more powerful. Researchers have found that when telmisartan is combined with a cancer drug called olaparib, it can significantly improve the drug's performance, and this could be a game changer for patients with certain types of cancer. The combination is already being tested in human clinical trials, and the early results are promising. It seems that telmisartan can boost the immune system's ability to fight cancer, while also enhancing the anti-cancer effects of olaparib. This is exciting news, because olaparib is already a powerful tool in the fight against cancer. It's a drug that's used to treat patients with BRCA-related tumors, which are tumors that are linked to mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. But the problem is that not all patients respond to olaparib, and it's not always effective against all types of cancer. So, if we can find a way to make the drug work better, and telmisartan seems to do just that, it could potentially expand the benefits of olaparib to a much wider range of patients. And that's something that could make a real difference in the lives of people with cancer. Finally, in a breakthrough that could shed new light on one of the most mysterious diseases of our time, Yale scientists think they may have found how Parkinson's disease spreads through the brain. By studying the toxic protein that's linked to Parkinson's, they've identified two neuron surface proteins that seem to play a key role in the disease's progression, and when they blocked these proteins in mice, they were able to dramatically reduce the spread of the disease. This is a major finding, because it suggests that we may be able to develop new therapies that target these proteins and slow down the progression of Parkinson's. And that's all for today. Tune in tomorrow when we'll be exploring the fascinating link between our gut bacteria and our mental health.